Hi guys, so I'm going in Whole Foods right now for a very special thing. Today is World Vegan Day and it's also the day that my holiday meal premieres on the Hot Bar. And it's only going to be on the Hot Bar for a very limited amount of time for you guys to taste because you're actually going to be able to order it to take it home for the holidays. So for Thanksgiving or Christmas or whatever else you celebrate until the end of the year, you're going to be able to take home amazing food designed by me and made by Whole Foods. So these are recipes from my cookbook. They are my favorite recipes from the cookbook. They're perfect for the holidays. They're the type of food that I grew up eating every holiday. And so to see Whole Foods make it and for it to be available nationwide in every store is just like mind-blowing, and I just am so honored. So I'm super excited. We're gonna go in there and we're gonna taste everything right now. This is gonna be our lunch and I'm hungry. I didn't eat too much for breakfast because I knew I was gonna go really hard on this meal. Okay, so let's go into Whole Foods. How exciting is this? My photo. Hello. The whole Thanksgiving menu is now on the Hot Bar. I'm going to see it for the first time. This is so exciting, you guys. Everything looks amazing. Oh my god. Anywhere in the United States, if you have a Whole Foods nearby, you can order this and you can have this for your Thanksgiving or your Christmas. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's dig in. I'm gonna make myself a plate and have everything in it. Okay. Okay guys, here's the meal. So we have the collard greens. I know a lot of you guys have already made these for my blog, but the black-eyed pea fritters. By the way, all this is in my cookbook. The cornbread stuffing and the etouffee with so many beautiful types of mushrooms. It's delicious. I'm so excited. What about this beautiful food? Please guys, don't cook for Thanksgiving. Come here. Just come here. Why bother cooking when you can eat my food at Whole Foods? It's delicious and nutritious. I'm not going to be cooking for Thanksgiving because why would I bother cooking when I can just come here and get my food from Whole Foods? Okay, so when you use code VEGAN, you can get $5 off my Thanksgiving meal here at Whole Foods from World Vegan Day today, November 1st until November 8th. So make sure you order it right now. The link to order is below. And let me know in the comments if you're gonna order this, guys, please. And also make sure you tag me on Instagram as well, because I wanna see your meal. I'm so ready for you to try all this amazing food. Hey, Haya. Yes, I hope you like it.
I want everything.
Yes, make sure you get it all. Yes. Hey, Sarah. Give it a go. This is kind of surreal.
It's totally good.
Max says bring him back some food too.
We gotta make him a box.
Yeah, exactly. He's so greedy. Yes, girl. All right, first bite. I'm going for the stuffing first. It's so good. This is the first time I've had it made at the store, by the store. It's really good. Oh my god, let's try my etouffee. There you go. Good job. JJ. Is it good, Angel? Do you like it? I'm feeding baby Jay this Cerebelly baby food. Even though obviously I like to cook and I cook a lot every day for us, I have not been cooking for her very much. I'll give her like sweet potatoes, avocados, banana, things like that. But making blends, I haven't gotten around to it yet. So this is just something I got in the mail. It's supposed to be really good for baby's brains and development, so I'm just trying to make sure that she has solids at least once a day because she's still primarily breastfed, but she's eating it. Good job. Good job. Ah, open up wide. Is it yummy to the tummy? Yes. So after that wonderful lunch at Whole Foods, I'm back home. It's dinner time, and I'm just really trying to figure out what to make for dinner. I don't have that much stuff in the refrigerator. We didn't make it to our regular farmer's market on Sunday because I went to another event. But I do have some beets. I love beets. And I do have some kale, Chinese broccoli, tofu, tempeh, beans, lentils. Trying to figure this out. I was just snacking on some nuts, just some almonds that were toasted. We're planning to turn this into almond butter, but it looks like we've eaten pretty much all of them. They're such a nice snack. Yum. Carrots, celery, onions, cabbage. Ooh, beet greens. These are pretty. There's kale in there. What I do with these beets, I'm not sure, but I love beets, especially when I prepare them in my Instant Pot because it's so easy. I just put them in the Instant Pot in a steam basket for 15 minutes and then let them cool and slip off the skins. That's it. I massage some kale, open up a can of chickpeas, cook those beets that you saw me cook and just slice them. The farro, which is superb, I cooked it with some green onion and garlic, a little avocado, and pumpkin seeds. It's very simple. It's like not the most exciting salad, but you know, it's healthy, and this is what I'm gonna eat for dinner. Honestly, I wanted to share a more exciting dinner with you guys, but the Whole Foods thing was the most exciting thing of my day. So of course, you know, kind of balance it out with something boring like this Buddha bowl / salad. But yeah, I'm still pretty excited about earlier today, and that food is still on my mind, so it's okay if I eat this for dinner. But make sure you stay tuned. You can buy and order the Whole Foods meal starting now in your Whole Foods. No matter where you are in the country, if you have Whole Foods nearby, you can order it online and pick it up in store for your holiday celebration, whether that's Thanksgiving or Christmas or just Sunday dinner, anything. So make sure you check out the link below to order. Also remember, you can use code VEGAN to save $5 on the meal. And I'm going to be ordering it for my Thanksgiving, so you guys definitely should as well. Okay, well, I'm going to have my salad. Baby's finally asleep, so I can enjoy this in peace and quiet while I watch my TV show. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram because I post there pretty much every single day, and I'm going to be posting even more fun stuff about this Whole Foods collaboration there. So you don't want to miss out. Follow me on Instagram as well at Sweet Potato Soul. And of course, buy my cookbook, Sweet Potato Soul. Links down below. Check them out. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.